back to our channel. We're going to be doing some math today in our engineering learning. So we're going to have a question where we have three unknown factors. So you got x, y and z, and you have three equations. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use matrices, the determinant, it's called the Cramer's method, for us to solve for x, y and z. So what we're going to do, the first thing is we're going to look at the first three equations. So you have 2x plus 3y plus z equals 11. The other one is x plus y plus 2z equals 9. And the third one is 2x plus y plus z equals 7. So what we do now is we build this system with x, y and z on the matrix. So you have 2x, 2, 3y, 3, 1z, 1. You repeat the same for the second equation. 1x, 1, 1y, 1, 2z, 2. Once you build your matrix, in order for you to find the determinant, as we said before in previous lessons, you repeat the first two columns on the side of your original matrix. And this is so that you can calculate now your determinant. So you're going to go from top left, multiply 2 times 1 times 1 equals 2, plus 2. 3 times 2 times 2 equals plus 12. And 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1 plus 1. When you're going backwards now, it's going to be minus. So it's going to be minus 1 times 1 times 2, minus 2. Minus 2 times 2 times 1, minus 4. Minus 2 times 1 times 1, minus 3. You get the values of both of them. You add 2 plus 12 plus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 2 equals 6. So your determinant, the value of your determinant is 6. Once you've done that, you are now going to work to find your determinant of x, your determinant of y, and your determinant of z, as we done with the 2 by 2 example. So we start with dx, and we know that in order for us to find the value of dx, we're going to have to, where the first column where x was, we're going to replace it with the values of the answer, which was 11, 9, and 7. So you rebuild your matrix with 11, 9, and 7 in x column, and you repeat all the other two columns. And you find the matrix again using the same methods. So it's going to be 11 times 1 times 1 plus 11, 3 times 2 times 7 plus 42, 1 times 9 times 1 plus 9. You go backwards now, and you do the same thing, but this time it's going to be negative. So it's 1 times 7 minus 7, 11 times 1 times 2 equals minus 22, and 3 times 9 times 1 equals minus 27. Once you add and subtract all these values, you're going to have a positive 62 and a negative 56. 62 minus 56 equals 6. So this is your value of determinant of x. Now, in order to find x, you're going to do the dx divided by the d, which is 6, what we found for dx, and the 6 which you already had found for the determinant. Once you've done that, you found the value of x. Now we're going to find the value of dx. We do the same operation, we get the matrix, but now we're going to change the value in the middle column where y is. So you repeat the first column, 2, 1, and 2. Now you put where y is 11, 9, and 7, and you repeat the third column, which is 1, 2, and 1. You do the same method. You multiply 2, 9, and 1, 18, plus 1, 2, and 2, 11, 2, and 2, 44, plus 1 times 7, which is 7, minus, now you're going backwards, 1 times 9 times 2, minus 18, 2 times 2 times 7, minus 28, and 11 times 1, which is minus 11. Once you add and subtract all of these, you're going to have 51 minus 39, which equals 12. So now you know that your dy equals 12. In order for you to find y, you're going to do dy divided by d. Your determinant was 6, your dy is 12, so it's going to be 12 divided by 6 equals 2. So that satisfies your second part, where you found x equals 1 and y equals 2. Finally, for dz, you do the exact same operation, but now you change in the column where z is. So you're going to repeat 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, and where the values of z were 1, 2, and 1, you're going to put 11, 9, and 7. You're going to do again the determinant for dz, determinant of the z's. It's going to be 2 times 1 times 7, plus 3 times 9 times 2, plus 11 times 1 times 1 minus the other ones. Once you add them all together, you're going to get 79 minus 61, which is going to be equals to 18. So your dz equals 18. In order to find z, you're going to divide it by the determinant 6, which equals 3. So now you have found three values. You have found the value of x, which equals 1. You have found the value of y, which equals 2. And you have found the value of z, which equals 3. And if you use any of the three equations, you can prove this, where you have 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times y, which equals 2, equals 6. So you have 2 plus 6 equals 8, plus z, which equals 3, equals 11. So it satisfies this. This is how you get your final answers. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell button.